should I say, introduced to. So MyShinyWigs hair company. A disclaimer before we get started: I am a licensed cosmetologist as well as a salon owner, so I do this often, but I'm definitely going to show you guys all of the tricks, everything step by step, how to install your lace wig. They customize the cap size. I don't know about you guys, but I have a smaller head. Head size is pretty small, and so a lot of times when I do purchase wigs, I can have a great lace, I can have great quality hair, but the only thing is the wig is too big, and so I end up with a lot of raveling or bunching in the back or looseness in the back because the wig is too big. With this, they can send you a small, medium, or large size to fit your head. And so all you have to do is take some measuring tape or some waist tape and just measure your head. Mine is a 22.5, which that is a medium size, and so that's what I purchased. So inside you will find the wig, and it comes like this here, which looks nice. Inside of our bag are a mesh little baggie that comes with a brush and comb to make baby hairs. It comes with a comb here. It comes with a wig cap as well as another wig cap, which I like because this one is for lighter complexions. This one is for a bit darker complexion. And so you get 2 wig caps. It comes with some wax, and then it comes with a small makeup brush. It also comes with a brochure of MyShinyWigs. Let's see, this is a 16-inch lace frontal wig. You guys, I honestly have forgot what length I got. I did purchase these units with my own money. Comes with the bands that you can remove and disconnect. It comes with 4 combs. You also can connect these to make it tighter. The construction is really, really good. The knots are already bleached. Let me grab my mirror. Oh yes, this fits absolutely no looseness at all. Already, like, I haven't did anything to it at all, and you can already tell that this is about to be like super duper bomb. Like, it fits perfectly, like it really fits good, and so we are definitely going to go in and customize it. I'm going to clean my skin with some 91% alcohol here. Pulling this back here is flip this back a little bit to where I can see exactly where my hairline is at, and I'm going to go in with my Bold Hold Active. My spatula, and I'm going to rub this into the skin until it's clear. Okay, so now that the product is clear, we're going to apply our second layer. I'm going to fold this part down, pulling it and pressing that hairline into I'm going to take that same razor that I used to remove the lace from the back. I'm just going to kind of go up here, and I'm going to go up here and right through here. Already how natural that looks, right? Like, really natural. Shout out to MyShinyWigs for creating and designing amazing custom wigs. Thank you guys so much. I definitely love this wig. 2021 baby, y'all all about to catch me. Where the money reside?